Forget everything you think you know about first impressions. The most powerful signals you're sending, they're not coming out of your mouth. Women are hardwired to read microexpressions, posture shifts, and gestures you don't even realize you're making. These cues reveal who you actually are, not who you're trying to be. Here's the nonverbal communication that genuinely captures a woman's attention. 1. Eye contact that doesn't creep. Here's what women are scanning for with eye contact, and most guys don't realize they're being read. Hold it too long, she's thinking you're intense and unsettling. Break it too fast, she clocks insecurity or evasiveness. There's a window, 3 to 5 seconds of direct eye contact, then a natural break, where she registers confidence without discomfort. At the coffee shop, in a meeting, anywhere, she's tracking this. The guys who naturally hit that rhythm, they're the ones she remembers. The ones who stare or dart their eyes away get filed differently in her mind. 2. How you actually stand. Women are reading your posture before you open your mouth. Slouched shoulders and a caved chest register as low energy, low confidence. With the guy standing ramrod straight, that reads as forced, like he's trying too hard. What catches her attention is relaxed, open posture. Shoulders back naturally, feet shoulder-width apart, weight evenly distributed. He's taking up space without making a production of it. At the gym, the grocery store, waiting in line, she's subconsciously cataloging whether you look comfortable in your own body. The guys who move through space with natural ease, those are the ones who stick in her awareness. 3. The smile that means something. Women spot fake smiles instantly. A real smile involves the whole face, especially the eyes. Those slight crinkles at the corners signal something genuine is happening. A polite, tight-lipped smile, she knows you're just being social. But a smile that reaches the eyes stops her brain in its tracks. She notices this at the office, at the bar, during casual conversation. The guys who smile authentically when something actually amuses them get flagged as different from the sea of men performing politeness. 4. Your hands tell stories. Women are tracking your hands more than you think. Fidgeting, adjusting your collar, touching your face repeatedly. She's reading nervousness in real time. Controlled, purposeful hand movements signal comfort and self-assurance. At a diner having a conversation, during a work presentation, she's watching whether your hands match your words or expose anxiety. The guys with steady hands that move with intention register as confident. Restless hands? That gets filed as someone who's uncomfortable existing in the moment. 5. The space you claim. Women notice how you occupy physical space and whether you respect boundaries. The guy sitting with his legs comfortably apart, not obnoxiously wide, at a coffee shop registers as confident. Leaning back slightly instead of hunching forward signals he's relaxed. But here's what she's also scanning for. Awareness of her space. Does he crowd? Does he invade? The man who takes up his space naturally while respecting hers creates an instant sense of comfort. That balance is rare and women clock it immediately. You see this dynamic everywhere. Some guys just understand spatial awareness, and they get better responses without effort. 6. Mirroring without trying. When there's genuine connection happening, people unconsciously mirror each other's body language. She shifts her weight. He shifts his a moment later. She picks up her drink. He does the same. Women can sense when this is happening naturally versus when a guy is forcing it. If you've ever been in a conversation at work or over coffee and noticed this synchronization occurring, that's her body responding to yours without conscious thought. It's one of those things she might not verbally acknowledge, but she feels it. 7. Presence over performance. The biggest tell women are scanning for? Whether you're actually present or just waiting for your turn to talk. Checking your phone mid-conversation? She notices. Glancing around the room? She's reading that as disinterest. The guys whose bodies are oriented toward her, who respond to what she's saying, who aren't mentally somewhere else, those are the ones who stand out. At the grocery store making small talk or in any interaction, she's gauging genuine engagement. Most men are elsewhere, even when they're standing right there. The ones who are fully present, they register differently in her mind. You're sending these signals right now, whether you know it or not. Pay attention to what you're broadcasting when you're out there. Coffee shop, gym, office, wherever. You might start noticing how women are already responding to these cues.